So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate custom guides inside the free version of DaVinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. So inside of DaVinci here, what I'm talking about is grid line in your preview window. So what it can allow you to do is snap things to the grid and line everything up to either put things in a specific spot evenly across many different layers, or just really to line things up a lot easier to your own personal preference. So how we can get there is up here in the top right corner, just past our preview window. Go ahead and click on this icon right here, and this will activate your guides. But if you click on the drop down arrow, you can see you have all of your options here, and I have it on center, guides, and rulers. The guides and rulers is really what we're talking about here. You can see I have my guides already set up so that I would know where my aspect ratio is for an anamorphic crop. But you can simply just drag these around to wherever you want, and it even gives you a number of where it is along the ruler, which you can see over here on the left. So if you want to grab a new line, go ahead and grab on the left side here and drag that over, and let's say I want this as a center. So now what you can do is, if I have, let's say, a text node here, I can actually snap the grid of the outside of the text so that if I make it smaller or want to line it up, I can simply snap it, and you can see it automatically grabs the center, but now I can have it snap to that line so that I can easily line up text in the exact same spot every time. And it's amazing because you can add as many different lines as you want and really just stack on top of it as many times as you need to get that perfect area that you would like, making it super simple to just line everything up. If, let's say, you want to do a zoom and make it line up perfectly on your eyes, I can put a line there, and then once I zoom, all I have to do is adjust the positioning so that once I'm zoomed in, that line's still on my eyes, making it a perfect zoom, staying right in the same plane. So if you like this video, or maybe it was helpful, go ahead and click on this one next, and I'll see you in the next one.